everyone, how are you? I'm Heather, I'm the Yogi. This is a Mom Minutes video, a Mom Minutes short flow. I'm here with our son, Kaz. Hello. And Winston. Winston's already made himself comfy. And Belle may or may not make an appearance. We're gonna get started right away. So go ahead, come onto your mat and come into your child's pose. You can take your knees together, or you can take your knees apart, and just start to take a couple of good deep breaths. Big breath in, and a long breath out. Take a big inhale, and a big exhale. One more time. Take a deep breath in, fill up. And a long breath out, empty out. And then go ahead and come on into your downward facing dog. Lift your hips, let your heels soften. You can take more time in child's pose if you like. And if you want to maybe bend one knee and then the other, kind of walk out your dog a little bit, you can, so you start to loosen up. Here, take a deep breath in, and a long breath out. Take another big inhale, and as you exhale, make your way to the front of your mat. Find your flat back, your halfway lift. Yoga should not hurt.
But it does.
Fold forward, exhale. Inhale, come on up to stand. Reach your hands high, lift up, look up. Draw your hands to your heart. And together, let's just take a deep breath in here. And a long breath out. Moving through a sun salutation. Inhale, reach your hands high. Fold forward, exhale. Bend your knees as you fold. Find your halfway lift. Inhale. Bring your hands to your mat. Step back to your high push-up, high plank. You can jump back. Forward and halfway down, low push-up. Inhaling, upward facing dog. Howling is optional. Exhale, back to your downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in, and a long breath out. Take a big inhale, and a long exhale. Once more, let's take a big breath in, and as we exhale, step or jump to the front of the mat. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. This time, chair pose, Utkatasana. Set your feet, even them out. Lift your hands up. Put a bend in your knees. Press back into your heels. Take a deep breath in. Fold forward, exhale. Find your halfway lift, inhale. Hands to your mat. High push-up to low push-up. You can step or jump back. Inhaling, upward facing dog. Exhaling, downward facing dog. Right foot steps forward, warrior one. Back foot spins flat, reach up, straight up. Bend your front knee. Now open out to your warrior two. A little bit of a longer stance here. Spin your palms to the sky, take your right hand high, reverse your warrior, reach up and go back. Exhale, hands come down to your mat. High push up to low push up. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now left foot steps forward, warrior one. Reach your hands up, helps to know what your left and your right are. But if you don't, just the other side. Take a big inhale, open out to your warrior two. Bend your front knee, lengthen through your back leg, lengthen through your arms and your fingers. Spin your palms to the sky, take your left hand high, reverse your warrior. Take a big breath in, keep your shoulders soft. Exhale, hands come down to your mat. High push up to low push up. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a breath in and a breath out. Take another big inhale. And as you exhale, step or jump to the front. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, come on up to stand, reach high, lift up. Draw your hands to your heart. And let's set up for tree pose. Okay. Set one foot as your standing foot, sole of the lifted foot somewhere on the inside of your standing leg. Nice. Hands can stay at your heart, come up overhead, right? You can grow your branches if you like. Just a couple of deep breaths here. Whoa, I'm going to fall out of my tree pose. Take another deep inhale and then release. Both feet come down, hands back to your heart, and set it up on the other side. Set your standing foot. You can set your gaze to one point. That helps. The lifted foot doesn't have to be high. And one side is usually a little steadier than the other.
As I've just learned.
Nice. Take one more deep breath in. And then release. Both feet come down. Reach your hands up. Take a big inhale. Fold forward. Exhale. Halfway lift. Inhale. Hands to your mat. High push-up to low push-up. Exhale. Upward dog. Take a breath in. Downward dog. Breath out. Take a big breath in through your nose. Open your mouth. Empty out. And then bring your knees down to your mat. Sit back over your heels. Should we take Shavasana?
Yeah.
Okay. Sit back over your heels. Lie down on your back. And set up for your Shavasana. Take your legs long or work with your feet wide and your knees together. If you want to add in a little twist or any last adjustments you can before you come into your Shavasana. Take one more really deep full breath in here. Hold your breath in for just a moment. And then empty out. Now wiggle your fingers and toes. Draw your knees to your chest. And come on up to seated. Hands can be on your legs or at your heart. Take a moment. Feel your body, feel your breath. Take a big inhale. And a long exhale. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for joining us today. Thank you for joining me.
You're welcome.
I'm Heather. I'm the Bent Yogi. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified as new videos come out. You don't need a lot of time to practice, and you can always include others. It's more fun. Take care of yourself so you can take care of others, and I'll see you on your mat.